This is a truth table for 3 propositions, and we want to show the truth value first for P and Q or R. So we'll set up our 3 truth values. So I'll start with the symbols: true, 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 false, 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 false. 2 truths, 2 falses, 2 truths, 2 falses. Last one, every other: true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. All right. So we need to take care of this parentheses first. This is saying Q or R. So this is the disjunction. So Q or R. So if we go back to our rules, when it's a disjunction, true when one or both are true, and then false if both are false. So we're looking at column 2 and column 3. We need at least one of them to be true. So true and true, true. One of them is true, so true. One of them is true, so it's true. Both of these are false, so it's false. Both of those are true, still true. At least one of those is true, so it's true. One of those is true, so it's true. Both are false, so it's false. All right. Now we're going to do this next piece. P and, so that's a conjunction, and then the green, Q or R. So we're looking for a conjunction between the green column here and our P. So conjunction is true when both of them are true. So we're looking at, again, this blue column here and this blue column there. We want both of them to be true. So this one's true and true, so it's true. This is true and true, so it's true. This is true and true, so it's true. This is a true and a false, so both of them aren't true, so it's a false. False and a true, both of them aren't true, so it's false. False and a true, still false. False and a true, false. False and a false, false. All right. Now we're going to go to the right side of the equation. So we have P and Q. P and Q. So this is another conjunction. We want both of them to be true. So we're looking at P and Q. We want both of them to be true. So true, 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 true and a false, both of them aren't, so it's a false. True and a false, false. False and a true, false. False and a true, false. False and a false, false. False and a false, false. So just those top 2. Change colors. Now we do this piece. P and R. So another conjunction. It means both of them have to be true. So the letters we're working with is column 1 and column 3. We want both of them to be true. So true and true, true. True and false, false. True and true, true. true and false, false. False and true, false. False and false, false. False and true, false. False and false, false. We're almost there. Alrighty, now we're ready to put it together. So I'm going to go to purple. We're taking care of this entire compound proposition. So P and Q or P and R. So this is a disjunction. So remember, for a disjunction, you need at least one of them to be true. So we're looking at this column here and that column there. So these are both true. At least one of those is true. At least one of those is true. Both of those are false, so it's false. Both of those are false. And I'll just continue that down because all of those are false. So what are we looking at? We want to see, are these two logically equivalent? So this blue one is this column, and this purple one is right here. Are these two the same? Let's see. So we have a true and a true, they're the same. A true and a true, they're the same. A true and a true, they're the same. False and a false, they're the same. False and a false, they're the same. False and false, false and false, false and false. Both of those two columns are the same, so they are considered logically equivalent. So I'm just going to extend this page. And how we finish this up is P and Q or R is the same meaning as P and Q or P and R. They are logically equivalent.